Papa.
Look, Papa. Look. Grab.
This is Caleb's first food.
Wow, I'm so trapped in. I just need the one around my waist.
Can I have one?
Jaden, hold on.
I love these.
It's just the one around the
Put it in his
waist.
mouth. Well, you can.
Hold
He's
on.
big enough now.
Just stop. You're like
Sorry.
interfering.
Try to get it, baby.
He says I can't pick him up.
He's kind of cute though. It's fine motor skills, you know.
I think he's got one.
Put it in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth, please.
Let him get it. You guys need to calm down, okay?
We're hoping. Yeah.
Go.
In your mouth. Put that in your mouth.
Ooh, he says, ooh. He's like, I'm allowed to? But that's good that he's touching and like,
Yeah.
because then that's how he learns. Yeah, you could probably totally just do the waist strap now because he's too big for the, like he can sit up good by himself. What do you need to do? Watch. Just let him learn, honey. That's what you did. Maybe put one in his mouth so he can taste it.
Oh, there he goes.
He's like, I've never had something this small before. What is my mom doing?
They're eating my blood.
Hold on, let me take the thing off because he can't.
It's like,
Yeah.